This medical facility in Durman in Sudan's capital Khartoum is a single room, but provides health care for dozens of people every day. And it's run entirely by volunteers. Ahmed Zaid, who founded the center, graduated as a doctor only a few years ago. He works at another hospital during the day and comes here in the evenings.
At the start of the conflict, the situation was concerning because of the attacks by the Rapid Support Forces on hospitals and healthcare centres. We wanted to ensure people had access to medical care and set up this centre to provide first aid and treat chronic illnesses.
Sudan's health sector is nearly destroyed after 9 months of conflict between the army and the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces. The UN says 70% of hospitals around the country aren't functioning. In Khartoum, only a handful remain open, and volunteers.
I studied business administration but came here because most medics have left the capital. I take care of distributing the medicines. We have a card for every patient. At the moment, we have 570 patients who come to get medication for chronic illnesses.
Donations from volunteers enable the clinic to remain open. Despite the center relying entirely on volunteers and equipped with little, it doesn't only deal with cold cases. Minor emergency operations are sometimes performed here as well. And the center also receives patients with gunshot wounds or shrapnel from an artillery strike, serving as a lifeline to many in the city. For many people, this is their only option for medical treatment.
Since being tortured by the Rapid Support Forces, my uncle suffers from diabetes and hypertension. We come here every day for his treatment, and we've never had to pay a cent.
I brought my son here and he was given oxygen. The centre is near my home and the treatment is free, and that matters because there is no work.
Volunteers say they'll continue to do what they can to help those left vulnerable by the conflict, in hopes of making a difference in their lives and those of their loved ones. Hiba Morgan, Al Jazeera, Khartoum.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.